Hi, hello. In today's episode, we are going to focus on a question how to manage your tasks in IC project with regard to your private account. So basically, with regard to your tasks that you have been delegated to carry out, but also with regard to, more of a managerial level. So all tasks. And to get a better idea of how to do it, you might want to go to this tab, which is a task manager. So basically, you're going to have a great view of what is going on with regard to your tasks. So this is my avatar, Mac Wordsworth, who has been delegated to various projects and various tasks. So you might want to ask, why do you have this in red and this in orange? It's because basically it's connected with deadline. So this task is after deadline, 3 days. So you might want to go and, basically start working on it if you don't want to get late. It's an informative view, an interactive view, because everything is clickable. You can get redirected to a specific task. So for example, if I click it, it's going to slide here for your convenience. So this is a form of report. So please treat it as a form of report too, because basically then you might want to copy the task. You might want to, move to a certain, take action with regard to this task, and it will help you to manage it in a great view, in a simple view. Moreover, you will also have a way to filter these tasks, because you probably are going to end up having a lot of them. So with regard, you're going to filter it with regard to a project, like so. You can choose as many as you want. With regard to particular labels, which, as I've already covered, is a function in which you can set in the settings options here. And basically, you can further filter your task with regard to different statuses. So in preparation open, or for example, with regard to column. And yeah, and you can also choose to have a view of tasks which are after deadline. If you don't, you can manage the filter whichever way you want. So right now the system aggregates all tasks that are after deadline, and which are my tasks. Yeah, so we've covered this tab, and now let's go to all tasks. Again, a lot of options that we might want to cover here. Basically, in the red, so after deadline, you can filter them, you can sort them with this simple filter. Basically, it's all clickable, so I can have a chat with this user, Martin Bauer, write a message, view his profile, contact information, see if what level of priority has been assigned. I can see which column this task is, not status column. Have it in mind. And basically I can take actions with regard to this particular task. And you can see I can chat, have a chat about this task, and for example, save it as a template. Right. There is one more great functionality, and it's connected with a view. Have in mind, this red dot remembers, tells you that, a filter is on, and it's often after deadline, so have it in mind. Please remember it. Also, you might want to use a different view. Why? Because this icon is going to sort all of your tasks with regard to specific status, because just like I said, Kanban has 3 statuses: to do, in progress, and done. But you can have as many columns in a certain status. So for example, here or here, this might be a status in progress, but it's a different column, but column in this status. So this is a hard default setting of all of your tasks. Yeah, my task, and it's the system filters it into specific statuses. Yeah. So it's a great view and a great way to manage tasks, and I can filter these tasks with regard to a specific project. Yeah. So right now, basically, I'm in a specific project in which I have different statuses, different boards and different columns, but the system filters all of the tasks like so. And if I want to click it, still the view stays the same, and it's a different column. It's a qualified lead, but I know that this column is in progress, right? And this functionality is parallel. It means it's the same with regard to all tasks, which gives you even more ways to manage your tasks. And let's have a look at one more view. And this is a scheduler or scheduler, if it comes to American pronunciation. So basically, here you have another default and hard setting if it comes to sorting your tasks. So it's a scheduler in which you can manage your tasks with regard to what? Dates, so deadlines. So not everybody is going to be able to perform certain, well, like this drag and drop option. You're going to have certain permissions to make such maneuvers. So only a person who created the task will be able to perform such action. Group leader, project manager, and systems administrator. So this is for your convenience and all tasks. There is one more option here, and this is I can filter all of my tasks with regard to assigned people. So assigned to, so a task that has been assigned to, and assigned by, for example. Yeah. So I have assigned such tasks for this person, Barbara. Yeah. And this is Barbara Schroeder. Okay, so there you go. This is how you manage all of your tasks from all of your projects, and you're going to end up having a lot of them. So for your convenience, we've designed this task manager, and also for your convenience, this task manager is available here inside of a project. So you don't have to actually go outside of this project into this menu, but you can have it here, and it's with regard to only tasks in the project. So a great way again to manage projects and manage tasks in the project. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Take care.